Hello guys, I am collecting resources to be Elite 5 for a long time. I already know you guys were thinking, what are you doing? We are in a season and you can see that I have a lot of resources to be Elite 5, but I am trying to collect more so it will be enough to upgrade everything. So it's taking a little bit time, but I am very near to making this video. I have already shooted the part from Elite 1 to Elite 4. The only part is left is from Elite 4 to Elite 5 and unlocking T11 troops. I'm going to be recording this real soon. So that's not the point of making this video. I wanted to tell you guys that I was thinking what I'm going to do next after I achieve 1000 shooter stats. And now I think I have the answer. I will be trying to go for 1500 shooter stats. And I'm not going to say that it's going to be without spending because basically it's almost impossible to continue from this point. It's already hard. I will say that I can be 1001 or 200 shooter stats without spending, but after this I can already see it's a very difficult task and I just don't want to grind for this anymore. I will be trying to get to 1500 shooter stats as fast as possible. So that will be my plan in the future, and don't worry all you biker players, I am also trying to change emblems in my biker equipment, and I will also try to be 1000 biker stats at the same time, because why not guys? I already have the equipments, I already have the emblems, I just need to put them, I just need to do few more investment. I know it's going to be hard, but now I'm a lot free than before. I can focus on multiple things, so I think that I can do both of them at the same time. This is the thing that I want to talk about. Plus I want to give you a message that the video for the Elite 5 and unlocking T11 shooters is going to come in few days. So that's the message I wanted to give you guys, and a video is going to come soon. Make sure you like the video, subscribe the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.